Hello everyone, my name is Dedi Effendi and I am a high school teacher from Darut Tauhid boarding school for girls in the city of Bandung, Indonesia. I'm also proud to be an Assembler EDU certified trainer. Today, I'm excited to share how can I use Assembler EDU to make learning more interactive and engaging for my students. In this presentation, I'll walk you through what Assembler EDU is, why it's such a powerful tool for educators, and I'll share one example project that had a big impact in my classroom. Let's start with the core idea behind Assembler EDU. As you can see on this slide, the message is clear. Learning should always be engaging. Assembler EDU is an all-in-one augmented reality creation platform designed for educators and students. What does that mean? It means we can create interactive lessons and immersive projects that go beyond traditional teaching methods. Instead of just reading and watching, students can experience learning in 3D and augmented reality environments right from their device. For example, imagine teaching biology and showing a 3D dinosaur model like the one here. Students can rotate it, zoom in, and explore detail in real time. This makes abstract concept visual and tangible, which improves understanding and keeps students excited about learning. Let's go next to our next slide. On this slide, we have two important points, Assembler Edu and augmented reality. First, Assembler Edu is described as a platform that offers interactive learning media based on 3D and augmented reality. What does that mean for us as teachers? It means we can bring lessons to life in a way that's easy and engaging for students. Instead of static image or text, we can create immersive experience that students can interact with directly. Now, let's talk about augmented reality or AR. AR is a technology that integrates virtual objects, both 2D and 3D, into the real world and display them in real time. So when students use their device, they can see these virtual objects as if they exist in their actual environments. Imagine teaching about ecosystem and letting students place a 3D rainforest in their classroom. They can explore plants, animals, and interaction right in front of their eyes. This makes learning visual, interactive, and memorable. Okay, let's do more in next slide. Okay, let's see. You can see the video in here. This slide gives us an overview of Assembler Edu and the company behind it. Assembler Edu was founded in 2018 and has grown into a leading immersive technology company headquartered in Indonesia, especially in Bandung. This is my country. Without presence in more than 180 countries, what makes Assembler unique is its drag and drop immersive contents builder like you see in the video. This tool allows educators and business to easily create and deploy augmented reality and 3D content. You can share this experience through QR code, web AR, and mobile apps, making it simple for students to access interactive lessons anywhere. On the screen, you can see an example of human digestive system model displayed in augmented reality. This is a great way to teach anatomy. A student can explore each organ in detail, rotate the model, and understand the process visually. It turns a complex topic into an engaging, hand-on experience. Okay, is that interesting enough? Okay, let's see. The next slide. This slide introduces Assembler Edu and its background. There are three key benefits. First, Assembler Edu offers affordable hand-on learning without expensive equipment. You don't need a high-end device or costly tools like in the image. Just a smartphone or tablet is enough to bring lessons to life with 3D and AR activities anytime, anywhere. Second, it keeps students curious and actively engaged. Interactive lessons spark exploration and creativity. So, no more passive, boring classes. Students become active participants in their learning journey. And the third, Assembler Edu provides ready-to-use visuals that save teachers hours. You can browse thousands of engaging 3D and augmented reality visuals to enrich any lesson quickly and easily. This means less preparation time and more focus on teaching. Imagine teaching science, history, or geography with immersive visuals that students can interact with. It transforms the classroom experience into something exciting and memorable. Okay, the next slide is introduce one of the most powerful features of Assembler Edu. Digital teaching aids. Our Edu kits are ready to use, annotated 3D visuals designed to help teachers explain abstract concepts in a clear and engaging way. Instead of relying on flat diagrams or static images, you can use interactive models that students can explore from different angles. Educators have access to a large library of visuals covering topics like environment, social life, linguistics, sports activities, and even fun characters for creative lessons. This aid can be instantly presented, interacted with, and embedded into your slides, making lesson preparation faster and more effective. Imagine teaching geography and showing 3D models of a volcano or explaining social life in interactive cultural visuals. This tool makes learning visual, interactive, and memorable. For example, what project I make in the school, you can see in this website. I make a project that makes biology lesson more interactive and engaging through 3D models and AR-based exercise. On the left, you see the determination key exercise. Students are asked questions like, does the insect have wings? Like this. And they choose the correct answer based on their observation of 3D model created from Assembler Edu. This approach helps students practice classification skills in a hand-on way rather than just memorizing a fact. Yes, this is a 3D insect model, in this case a grasshopper from the Orthoptera group. Students can rotate, zoom like this in, zoom out to examine details such as the leg, wings, and body structure so he can find the correct answer in the identification key. So, thank you for joining me in exploring how Assembler Edu is transformed with its interactive 3D and AR features, ready to use digital teaching aids and immersive content. Assembler Edu help us create lessons that are not only informative but truly engaging. As educators, our goal is to make learning meaningful and exciting, and Assembler Edu gives us the tools to do exactly that. I encourage you to try it in your classroom and experience the difference it makes for your students. Let's take education to the next level together. Thank you.